Hey there. In this tutorial, I'll show you install Llama.cpp on Android with Termux, run AI locally, 2026. Let's get started. B. Install Termux. Download Termux from F-Droid, not Google Play. Grant storage access with Termux setup storage. Update packages. Run package update and in package upgrade. Why to get the latest packages for Android. Install dependencies. Run package install wget Python cmake for build tools. Clone Llama.cpp. Clone the repo. Git clone https://github.com/github/llama.cpp. Build for Android. Enter the dir, create build dir, run cmake, and make to build. Download a GGUF model. Pick a quantized model from Hugging Face that fits your RAM like Llama 2B or Phi 3. Run AI locally. Execute the model with /main mmodel.gov. Your prompt here. Performance tips. Use fewer CPU threads and 4-bit quantized models for best speed on phones. That's it for today. Subscribe to Kola Lawal for daily AI on Android tutorials. See you tomorrow.